That was you, dude. Oh, God. Oh, that's a YouTube moment there, buddy. That's awesome. Hurry up.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Hey, he needed a double man.
Oh.
His ass is too big for that. He was sinking, dude.
Oh, I'm glad. Right?
Oh my God.
Where's that towel?
It's
Oh, man.
As soon as he started going in, I was like, that water line is thin. That is a thin water line, man.
Oh, it's got a weight capacity on it, huh? Yes, it does. I'm used to them little girls getting in there.
Yeah.
Weigh 100 pounds.
Motherfucker, yeah.
Oh. Did you get wet?
Dude, I thought he was going down. I thought I was gonna sink.
Oh.
I thought he was gonna sink, man.
I'm glad your first instinct was to take a video.
I had to. I was like, gotta show the girls, man. Gotta show the girls that there was no fucking water line left. The back was all underwater. The whole thing was underwater, man. I was like, he is going down. I was like, if I'm gonna get this fucking thing, he's going down.
I guess we tore it poorly. I guess we should have brought the orange one. I don't know, man.
Damn.
What'd you say? We have 700 pounds?
We got 700 pounds of baldridge up in this boat right now. Yeah. I'm surprised the water line's 6 inches. I thought it'd be like pushing 3.
6 inches, my ball.
That's a 6. Oh yeah, there's at least 6 inches. That's pretty good, actually. I'll take 6-inch water line with 700 pounds of baldridge.
You get it at 3 inch
Yeah, 3-inch water line. Ooh, that's cutting the shit close, for sure. Goldwater Lake,
yeah.
right? I know since you're taping all this glorious. What is it? It's Mom's birthday today, and we're out fishing. Bunch of dicks.
She's sleeping.
Bunch of dicks.
We're giving her peace and quiet.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, we let her sleep in.
Yeah, you should have videoed us leaving.
We let her sleep in. That's why we went fishing.
I think it was pretty sweet, really.
Yeah, I thought it was very kind of us to do that.
Yeah, very kind.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's awfully quiet. You know what would have been really cool? Is if you were able to kayak right now.
Yeah.
That would have been really cool.
Whatever, dude. Yeah, we could go back and try number 2. Orange kayak. See how that works out.
I'm good.
We would have had.
I'm good.
You good, Tony?
I don't need to kayak anymore.
He's scarred.
Oh shit! Lost it.
Are you serious? Damn.
That was a nice one too.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Got hung up on some.
Feel it. Yeah, bro.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah. Damn it.
Man, I was rolling.
It's funny how those hits come out of nowhere. You're not even expecting it, right? You're just la da da da, boom. It's like, oh shit. There we go. Some B-roll.
There's the kayak. Where it belongs, on the shore. It's so funny.
It's hilarious.
Tony, what do you think we brought you along for? We had to get a good laugh this morning.
Yeah, that's true. Good laugh. Had to get some video.
My goodness.
You know what?
What?
I'll flip this boat.
We'll all have a laugh.
Yeah, we'll all have a laugh.
Gear and all.
I'll get the last laugh.
Watch this shit.
Oh, man. sure?
Yeah.
Mom said, right?
I asked Corey and she said 10:30.
Oh,
Hello? Or something like that.
breakfast.
So, and of course, if you can't access it, you can't get into the remote to the server in order to disconnect. So you have to actually go into the server, you know, room itself and actually have it have you disconnected. I didn't see. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. Hold the phone.
Hold the phone.
You know what might be able to do? We might be able to. I might be able, if we. I'm trying to remember the IP address, because if you can type in the IP address into the web URL, you might be able to actually access the remote from that way directly. Maybe. And I'm trying to remember what the IP address is. Like one, it's like. Got it, and I'll.
Got the big one on there, huh, Dad? Oh, got hung up again, huh?
Damn. Yeah, he ran under a rock. Was she having problems with her?
Yeah.
All right.
That's funny.
They are. That's how big they are. I was just seeing them.
Hilarious.
Yeah, they're little. They're
The
little.
ones that are creating out
They're
little
baby.
bubbles.
They're baby trout. Yeah, about this.
Well,
About
at
that
least they
big.
got some in here. Huh?
True.
Fingerlings. Really cool. Yeah, look at all these.
You see them?
Yeah,
They're like this long.
right in there.
Yeah. They're like little trout. No, you can tell the minnows. The minnows are the little tiny. Those are little trout, aren't they? They look like little
They
trout.
look like it. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Got the big one on his line, huh?
It's only a $5 lure that he got hung up
I'm
out
gonna
there.
walk out there and get it.
Yeah, Tony, you want to walk out there and get that?
Yeah,
You're already wet,
Come on,
dude.
Tone.
Dad's hung up because he's fishing off the bank like a dumbass in like 2 feet of water.
Fit?
Is it 2 foot
Can't
out there?
see it, but
Yeah, that's not even a foot.
Tony's already wet because he got wet earlier
Don't
from the
leave your shoes in
kayak.
that muck.
I know, that's why I told him to take his shoes off, but he's determined.
Glass.
There ain't glass in there.
You don't think so?
No.
No, maybe a lure in there.
What?
And that might hurt worse than a
I'm
fucking.
afraid you might lose him though. What?
Tone, think of it this way: even if you did fall in, right? Who
Yeah,
fucking
you're wet
cares?
already.
Yeah, who fucking cares?
I really. Can you see it down there? Huh? You might have to dive down in there and get.
Alright, I think I see it.
Think your arm can reach down in there without getting too wet?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got it.
Get it?
Oh,
Yeah.
Hey, what a guy. Thanks, bud. You let it go.
You sure?
Yeah,
he got the waist level.
appreciate it.
Yeah, I
Save
got
me
the
that $6 lure.
That was worth every penny.
I helped.
He did. That was
did.
nice. How was the water?
Save my
Dude, the water's
gold
nice.
Is it nice?
gas mask.
Totally nice. I'd go swimming.
Probably why we're not
I
getting
didn't
any
sink.
damn hits. It's too warm.
Yeah, it's too warm.
Good job.
Nicely done.
Man. Here, give me 5.
Did you see that? Dad almost bit slapped you with that lure, man. That was so close. It's on video.
Oh, I was 5 feet.
He's like this. Good job. I was like, you didn't even see it. Holy shit.
Where's that